probably one of the most dreaded animals on Hilton Head. No, it's not a shark, but what I've got in here is a cannonball jellyfish. So we have many different kinds of jellyfish that come here through all different times of the seasons, but this cannonball jellyfish actually cannot sting you. So a lot of people on the beach will see them washing up and stranding on shore, but jellyfish actually can't swim against the currents. When we have our jellyfish seasons, it's when different currents out in the ocean will get different temperatures at different times of the year. So you get these currents changing, and it kind of brings up all these jellyfish at once. So this is a cannonball jellyfish, but there's actually two animals in here at once. Let me see if I can fish him out. So inside, we've got a little smaller friend living here. Now this is a spider crab. Now this cannonball jellyfish and the spider crab have a symbiotic relationship. So what this spider crab does is he lives inside the bell of this jellyfish, and he's its janitor. So he's gonna live inside, and he's gonna clean out all the detritus and all the plankton matter that gets trapped on the inside of him. So they have a symbiotic relationship. So when you see these guys at the beach, you don't need to be scared because they actually won't sting you.